Hello everyone. Today we will add two numbers in Python from command prompt. Now click on window R, write CMD. It will open the command prompt. Now I am increasing the font of command prompt by clicking on properties, font, and I am choosing the size. It's visible now. Now I am writing Python. It will show you the command prompt of Python, but it will only show when the software of Python is installed in your PC or laptop. It's basically the version like 3 point or 3 point something version, 3.0.6. Now, as Python is an interpreted language, so there is no need to compile it. And one more thing in Python, there is no need to specify any data type, like A equals to 56 and B equals to 78, C equals to A plus B, print C, it will show you the result. It's 134. I hope you understand this properly. Thank you so much.